You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. Yes, I know it is a bit confusing. If you want to learn more confusing medical terms, names from anatomy too, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. You'll love them. British English pronunciation, UK, cartilage. Cartilage. Now, some may even skip the second syllable and say cartilage, right? Now, in American English, the pronunciation is similar. In the US, United States, cartilage. Cartilage. Cartilage, American English, or cartilage, British English. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Was this any useful? Let me know. I'll see you soon for more. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.